Hi guys, welcome to another video by Antiques Arena. My name is Walter Neal and I've had a really good gold haul today in the shop. Take a look at this. I've got diamonds, I've got garnets, I've got 18, 22, you name it. Have a look. What a lovely haul of gold. Okay, just quickly before we get going guys, if you love antiques, collectibles, you're in the reseller business, then don't forget to subscribe, because my channel's all about how-to videos. I go out buying antiques and I show you what everything's worth and how to identify it. So stake your claim guys, make sure you subscribe. If the videos help you and you like them, I would really appreciate a like and a share to help me keep creating videos. Let's get to it. Okay, as you can see, what a nice little haul. Right, I'm going to start off with the only piece that isn't gold. Hang on. Nah, shouldn't be down there, should I? Thing shut on me. Something didn't like me. So, the only piece that isn't gold here is this. And we have a constabulary long service or good service medal. It's named around the edge. Turn it over. Constable William Cole. Alright. So you got his medal there, original medal. I can't give you individual prices guys, but I can tell you now, this lot here owes me £400. I bought her in privately and it owes me a fair bit of money. So we have a medal here. I'm not sure if they've done these in silver or if they're in nickel. I'll have to do some research to find out. But I know I've seen copies of these going for £20 and £30, so that's a good little medal there. I'll price that one up for us before the end of the video. We'll move across. We got beautiful 18 karat gold bow earrings, and they're really nice. We got a pair of 9 karat gold leaf and pearl, if you like. A beautiful 9 karat gold cross and chain set with a diamond. You can just see the diamond there. 9 karat gold heart cubic zirconia earrings. Got a pair of 9 karat gold garnet earrings. Those are just some 9 karat gold leaves. Obviously earrings again, but they could be designer those. I'll have to check on those. We have a pair of diamond earrings here, and I think they're a garnet, could be sapphire. I'll have to have a look in the daylight. We come across here, we have an absolute stormer of an 18 karat gold diamond engagement ring, 3 large stones, very heavy, believe it or not, very heavy single earring, but it's stamped across here on the bar, so it's real. Good weight to it. There's a gram and a half by there on his own. That's a scrapper. We got a beautiful garnet pendant, really nice pendant, and we have a 22 karat gold ring. There you go, hang on. 22 karat. So we got a 22 karat gold ring, and then of course we have this beautiful 18 karat gold necklace. Now I'm going to have to test the stones to see what they are. They might be moissanite, might be diamonds. It is a beautiful necklace. It's not English. The stamp is 18K, not 750. 750 being our grade of 18 karat gold. And by the numbers, it means there's 750 parts gold in the 1,000. That makes it 18 karat. 9 karat would be 375 parts in the 1,000. So there's the haul guys. £400 mind, but what I can safely tell you is that's under scrap. There is approximately £420 by there in scrap value plus the medal. So I have bought it with a little bit of movement or a little bit of security that if I can't sell it, I can weigh it in. That I really like. That's okay, the cross, and I've got a buyer for those bow earrings straight away. So all in all, that's a really nice little haul. I'll go over it again just quickly for you, just in case there's anything you missed. Before I finish the video now, guys, I'm going to do a bit of research on these constabulary medals, so stay tuned and let's have a little look. Okay, so all I've done is search for a medal for police service. You got a real nice early one here, £700, but it's King George Sheffield Constabulary, so that's a nice early police medal. We come across here, you got a Dundee City Special Constable silver medal, but that's a World War I police one, so none of these so far are comparable to what I got. You got a South African police medal there, it's faithful service, again not compatible. Neither's the cross, and we come to here, Constable John Dent, Elizabeth II for exemplary peace service medal, ribbon and box, but that's what I got. So that's roughly where I'm looking. It's £28, which is, to be honest with you, disappointing. And there's another one underneath it, £26. Now they're saying they're silver. So, and no doubt they'll come all the way down even further. Police medal for faithful service, 15 and 15. So yeah, disappointed. I'm still going to be asking £30 for the medal. It's a really nice medal, and when you get the names on them, guys, it does change things. But all in all, it's a nice medal either way, and it'll look good in the shop. And if somebody makes me an offer, then they'll go. But there we go. We now know what the police medals are worth.